Alam niyo guys, sa mga work from home, freelance at virtual assistant, ang pinaka nakakatakot hindi brownout, kundi bagyo. Kasi 'di ba, most of our client, hindi nila tinatanggap ang bagyo as a reason to miss work. Syempre, if urgent, may time tracker, may due dates, at nasa ibang country si boss, so hindi niya feel yung hirap na pinagdadaanan natin. I remember one company I resigned from, hindi nila kino-consider yung ganitong uncontrollable disaster. Like, seriously, bagyo to guys. Hindi naman natin kasalanan yon. Kahit pa we're doing our best, delivering results, minsan, ang dating, parang pinapamukha nila na kailangan natin ng pera. At kahit anong mangyari, we have to work. And honestly, hindi na yun align sa goals ko. Siguro, kung baguhan pa lang ako sa ganitong industry or mababa yung performance,